how to send your current location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you can easily share your live location through the iPhone messages. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your messages app, go to the conversation where you want to send your live location, go to the plus icon on the bottom left, and then you'll need to scroll down, tap on location, and then it will show your current location. You just need to tap on share, and you can choose to share it indefinitely until end of day or for 1 hour. So just tap on the option and then just hit send. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.